Hey y'all, I wanted to read some more about this tuning forks, information on the back. It says tuning forks is a wonderful and effective method of applying sound to the body to help tonify chi and disperse chi, to help relieve pain and attune the body on a cellular level. Because our bodies are made up of water and water conducts sound, the body is an awesome resonator for sound. Sound resonates 4 times faster in water. These vibratory sounds travel through the body to help remove energetic blockages, therefore relieving stasis and pain and increasing the flow of chi. Now, our ancestors did use sound therapy to heal. So, this is one of the reasons why I thought it was a good idea to buy this set. Um, and then they tell you about the frequencies, which I already explained: 128, 256, 512. Tuning fork therapy facilitates balance and homeostasis in the body, opens energetic pathways, alleviates stasis and relieving pain, um, relaxes muscle tension, keeps stress and anxiety balanced. Ideally, we are always in tune and in harmony. However, stressors can cause different parts of our being to lose their coherent frequency. And tuning forks, by offering a coherent frequency by which the body can attune itself, offer a very simple and non-invasive way to get back in tune. So I thought that was very interesting and good information. This set was $33 or something like that. So it wasn't, you know, and you get 3. So basically that's like $10 for one. And this was basically an Amazon haul. So, all right, y'all. Hope that was helpful. Love y'all. Later.